how to use bi-weekly payments to pay off mortgage quickly and save thousands in interest. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is KG. I'm a realtor in Maryland, DC and Virginia, and today I am diving into a secret weapon for homeowners: bi-weekly mortgage payments. So how to use bi-weekly payments to pay off your mortgage quickly, become mortgage free. This simple strategy can shave years of your mortgage and save you thousands, significant amounts of money in the long run. How? In this video, I will explore how bi-weekly payments work. I'm going to tell you how it works and unlock the benefits that accrue with doing this. This will revolutionize your home ownership journey. That means you can become a homeowner quicker than you think. So, if you're a new homeowner or planning to become a homeowner, or you are a seasoned homeowner, you've had your mortgage for a few years, these strategies can still work for you and it's worth considering. First, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are already a subscriber, I say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Drop me a comment. So let's get started. So typically mortgage payments are monthly payments, right? You pay every month. But with bi-weekly payments, you split that mortgage payment into two and make payments every 2 weeks. This might seem like a small change, not a big deal. However, when you look at what it does in the long run, it really surprises you. So since we have 52 weeks in a year, making bi-weekly payments actually equates to 26 payments annually. So what this translates to is you are in effective making one extra mortgage payment yearly. Just one extra mortgage payment. But those extra payments go directly into your principal balance. And by reducing your principal balance over time, this now translates to you saving significant amounts of money on interest charges over the life of the loan. Because when your mortgage balance is lower, the interest you're going to pay is lower. And because you are reducing your principal balance faster, you can potentially pay off your mortgage years earlier. How would you like to be mortgage free? It can happen when you use this simple strategy of bi-weekly mortgage payment. So using a mortgage calculator, you really can see how this will save you when you compare bi-weekly payments and monthly mortgage payments. So I'm using a calculator, and in this scenario, I'm using a mortgage balance of $500,000 with 6.5 interest rates over 30 years. That's if you're just starting out, over 30 years. So with a monthly payment, the monthly payments is principal and interest. I'm not talking about every other thing. It's $3,160. The total interest you're going to pay over the life of that loan is $637,000. The average interest monthly is $1,700. Now, if we use a bi-weekly payments plan, the bi-weekly payments will be $1,500 because we split into two. The total interest over the life of that loan is going to be $486,000. Can you see the difference? And the weekly payments, bi-weekly payment period interest rate will be $700,000. So the difference in interest paid over the life of the loan, the difference is actually about $150,000, and the mortgage is paid off at year 25 with bi-weekly mortgage payment. Phew, that's a lot. Making bi-weekly mortgage payments might seem like just a small adjustment, but as you can see, in the long run, the benefits are just enormous and undeniable. It is a smart strategy if you are a disciplined person. that is able to manage smaller, more frequent payments. If you can do that, you should check this out. So, do you like this payment strategy? Can you see the benefits? So, if you want to try this, one of the first things you really want to do is consult with your mortgage company. Call them. First, you want to ensure you do not have a prepayment penalty on your mortgage. We don't have that anymore. So you also want to discuss setting up automatic bi-weekly payments. Set it up automatically. All right. So listen, leave me a comment if you have any question about how bi-weekly payments work, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more on real estate hacks and money saving tips. Remember, it's all about saving money and paying this mortgage off quickly. A little planning and the power of bi-weekly payments, you can quickly unlock your path to home ownership and do not have any mortgage payments anymore, which financial freedom. Woo! I love it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, if you're looking to buy, sell, move, invest in real estate in the DMV area, let's connect. Until next time, keep safe and keep